Hello everyone! In this video, we will go over the basics of using LinkedIn Learning and cover the benefits that LinkedIn Learning can provide to your employment skills and general knowledge. LinkedIn Learning is a great tool to help you learn new skills and upgrade your current knowledge. It is an online learning education platform. There are courses on various topics, including business, software, technology, and creative skills. There are over 16,000 courses taught by experts. All LinkedIn Learning video tutorials are free with your library card and available anywhere you have an internet connection. The videos are also available to be downloaded with the smartphone app so you can watch them later without an internet connection. LinkedIn Learning is owned by LinkedIn, which is an online professional network, and users require an email address to join. But you do not need a LinkedIn account to use and access the learning platform LinkedIn Learning. However, if you have a LinkedIn account, it is a great place to show off the courses you have completed to potential employers. Let's start by going over how to access LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning is available through both an app for Apple and Android devices and through a web browser. We will start with the app. Once you have downloaded the app and opened it, click on Sign In. It will automatically ask you to put in the information for an individual. Instead, click on Sign In with your library card. Next, enter our library ID, which is Halton Hills Public Library, with no spaces, and click Continue. For both the app and the web browser, you will then have to enter your library card number and your PIN, which is the last 4 digits of your phone number. To access from our website, look under Research and Support, Educational Resources, and then click on LinkedIn Learning, and finally, View LinkedIn Learning. Now that you are logged in, you can start exploring LinkedIn Learning and learn some new skills. In this section, I'll point out some interesting functions you may want to try. From the home page, you can see your in-progress courses to continue watching them. You can see new and popular courses, and you can access My Learning, which shows you the courses you have saved, completed, and your collections, which are like personalized playlists that you can create. Collections are great for saving courses for later and for organizing the courses that you would like to take. From the home page under Browse, you can see how many different topics LinkedIn Learning covers. Take a look at your favorite topic and explore the courses available. You can find courses by browsing, as we just saw, or you can type in the topic you are interested in learning about, for example, Excel, time management, or photography, just to name a few. Whether you find courses by browsing the subjects or searching for a topic, you will be given a list of courses that match your search. LinkedIn Learning has thousands of courses, so to help narrow your results, you can filter the results using the features on the left side of the screen. You can narrow by type, level, length, and more. You may notice that there are different result types, the main ones being videos, courses, and learning paths. So, what's the difference? Videos are the short individual videos that make up a course, and multiple courses grouped together create a learning path. LinkedIn Learning lets you decide in your search results if you just need a 5-minute video to learn something specific, an entire course on that subject, or if you want to embark on a detailed learning path. Learning paths are a great way to boost your skills and get ahead. Industry experts teach you the knowledge and skills to start or advance your career. They combine multiple courses that together create one larger skill. For example, this learning path on developing your communication skills includes 9 different courses for a total of almost 8 hours of expert content. We've talked about how to find and access courses. Now here's what a course actually looks like in LinkedIn Learning. You can see the topics that will be covered in the course on the left, and you have the flexibility to watch parts of the course and come back later and watch more. You can also view the transcript of the course to help take notes or follow along better. For courses on a specific program like Excel, there are always updated videos for new versions and those that cover older versions as well. In addition, there are courses for every expertise level, from beginner to expert. There are also various instructors on many topics, so you can find one that works with your learning style. Once you have finished a course, you can download a certificate of completion. If you forget to download your certificate when you complete a course, you can always download it later. Just go to My Learning, then Learning History. You'll see 3 dots on the right side of the screen for each course you've completed. Click on it to download the certificate. LinkedIn Learning offers courses in 7 different languages. Just click on the language icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then you can choose what language you would like this site and the content to be in. For any support and tips, visit the web version and see the links at the bottom of the page. Discover LinkedIn Learning for yourself. Download the app or go online. LinkedIn Learning is free with your Halton Hills Public Library card.